Hello, dear English learners. Welcome to today's episode of your English listening and speaking practice. And today, we're doing something special. It's your shadowing practice challenge, a chance to speak out loud, build confidence, and improve your English with me, step by step. So, how was your day? Did anything make you smile? Did you learn something new in the last episode? If you did, amazing. I'm proud of you. If not, don't worry. You're here now, and that's what matters. Now let's be honest for a moment. Just listening to English is not enough. If you want to speak better English, then you must speak. All right, so let's move forward, shall we? How about a little extra effort today to make your speaking and pronunciation better each time? Let's go on another fun and rewarding journey of improvement and success with 10 more sentences made to help your English skills. The key is not to think too much about making mistakes, but to see every practice, every single try as a small step toward your goals. We're going to have a great time doing it too, you know. So, ready to start with these success sentences? Here goes.
I am focusing on improving my grammar, and I learn something new every time.
Fantastic! You're doing great work. Keep it up.
I have a goal of speaking English fluently. It's becoming easier every day.
Stay focused, stay strong, and repeat it with all your energy. You can do it.
If you give your best to your goal, nothing can stop you from reaching it.
That's wonderful to hear. Keep going and do what you need to do.
I surround myself with English. I'm gaining confidence, and I can do it.
Be sure of yourself and speak as much as you can.
I will watch my favorite English shows as a step toward getting better.
That's awesome! Doing what you enjoy helps you learn more.
I see mistakes as stepping stones to better English. It will get easier every day.
Great to know. Keep going forward, one step at a time.
I am ready to practice my English every day. I can do it.
I like your confidence. Take another step forward.
I remind myself to slow down and be patient with my English learning.
That's something to remember. Be patient and plan your steps.
I will celebrate every small win, no matter how big or small it is.
It's important to enjoy each success, even the tiny ones. That was amazing! You've just taken another step towards speaking English better. You're doing a great job. How about more tips? What do you say? All right, the first thing to remember is to listen carefully before repeating. Pay attention to every little sound, how it is said, the tone, and the speed of speech. Be patient at all times. Don't feel bad if you face a problem. Don't give up and try again slowly. Also, use materials that match your current level. Start with easy content and slowly move to harder ones so you don't feel confused. These are important to help you do better and keep learning in the right way. Also, remember to enjoy small wins and celebrate them often. Feel happy when you use a new word in a real conversation. The goal is to see and feel that you're getting better, so you stay excited and keep going. Now you've already done a great job. Remember, practice doesn't just make perfect, practice makes progress. Let's try a little more in this new round. Are you in? I knew you'd say yes.
English speaking, reading, and writing are important for talking with others.
Great job.
English opens many doors in my career and makes me more confident.
That's very true. You can grow and feel stronger.
Learning English helps me connect with people around the world.
Awesome! You're not learning alone. Many others are on the same journey.
Speaking English well helps me share my ideas more clearly and easily.
Say what you feel. Let your words be strong.
Knowing English helps me learn about other cultures.
That's how you learn about people and life outside your home. Great!
Every minute I spend learning English brings me closer to my dream.
Each minute matters. Never forget that.
Being able to speak English helps me grow in my job.
Absolutely. It can help you be seen and heard.
I know my journey is not always easy, but I know I can do it.
I believe it too. You will reach your goal.
Every time I hear and repeat a sentence, I make progress.
Well done. Keep it up.
No matter how long it takes, I'm here and I will finish strong.
Amazing spirit. You're not alone. I'm here cheering for you. And here we are. You did a great job repeating after me. You really gave it your best, and I believe you are learning from every sentence. It's always about getting better in English, and this challenge helps you do just that, as long as you give a little time to it. Don't forget, I'm with you through all of this, and I believe in you. Bonus tips to learn English better. Speak in English often. If you can, find chances to talk in English with friends or people online. Join groups or websites where people are learning English too. Read more in English. Try reading books, blogs, short news stories, anything that you like. Pick things that are right for your level so it's fun, not hard. Reading and speaking every day will help you improve faster. Well, that's the end of today's 20 sentences. You did amazing. Keep going and keep learning. Until next time, don't stop practicing, and remember, I'm here to help you.